What's poppin', my people? Welcome back to VXXX. That's vibration, electric, eclectic. Once again, my name is Charms. Last time I gave y'all the beginner ab workout. Today, I'm gonna give y'all the beginner upper body workout. Anyway, y'all, no excuses. It's snowing outside. It's a snow day. The snow is like what? Like 6 inches deep. Feel like 6 feet deep. I hope y'all enjoyed the beginner ab workout I did for y'all. I hope everything was working out for y'all. If not, let me know. I'll make it more difficult. I'm gonna make it more difficult anyway. Alright, with this upper body workout, we're gonna do 3 exercises per usual. You know, I always do 3 exercises, but they're gonna be simple exercises. It's gonna be push-ups, up, down, push, that's what I call them. And we're gonna do arm circles. Sorry, I had to look because my mind went blank for a second. We're gonna do push-ups, up, down, push, and we're gonna do arm circles. Alright, 3 rounds. Hope y'all can stick through. If y'all can't, just push through. Just push through. That's all you gotta do. Keep your mindset positive. Push all the way through. Don't quit. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to get to this workout for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications just in case you want to be notified for when I drop more videos, because I'm going to be dropping more beginner workouts so everybody can stay at home or go out in nature and do these workouts. It's a snow day today, so really you will have no, I'm looking outside right now because it's still snowing, but you have no excuse. Alright, the first exercise we're gonna do push-ups. You have 3 options. You can do the full push-up, the regular push-up, or you can do the push-up. This is the regular push-up, for the people that don't know. This is regular push-up, arms shoulder width apart, and you go down, up. Now, if you can't do this one, put your knees on the ground. Well, actually, yeah, lift those legs up in the back. Put your knees on the ground, lift those legs up. Bam. Alright? Now, if you can't do that, if that is still too difficult, which there ain't nothing wrong with it, if it's still too difficult, you can do this one. You can walk over to the wall, use my chakra. You can walk up to the wall, put your hands on the wall, bam. That's too high. Bam. Do those. Alright? We're gonna do 8 push-ups. Alright, we're gonna do just 8 push-ups. 8. If you can make it to 10, make it to 10. Make it to 10. If you can do more than 8, good on you. Good on you. But these are for the people that they can't make it to 10. Alright, we're gonna do 8 push-ups. If you can't do push-ups, remember, put your knees on the floor, or you can sit up against the wall and push from the wall. Right? Alright, first round. Ready, position, and down. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, down. Wait, that's 8, right? Alright, that was 8, sorry, you know, I was gonna keep going. Alright, next exercise we're gonna do is the up, down, push. Up, down, push. Alright? Alright, I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see what's going on. Alright. Ready? Better be ready. Don't get ready, because I'm ready. Alright? We're gonna do 12 of these. 12 up, down, push. Alright? Alright. Y'all ready? Hands up. Make sure you got your balance. Up, down, push. 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 1, up, down, 2. Woo! My arms are burning a little bit, but I did a little workout before I did this video, so my arms are about to be burning. Alright, y'all make it through. Y'all make it through. Because we got one more to do. Alright, the last exercise we're going to do. The last exercise we are going to do. Arm circles. Arm circles. gonna do 15 forward and 15 going backwards. Forward, backwards. All right, y'all ready? Arms up, straight across. Try to keep them as straight as you can. Activate that core. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, keep your arms up. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, down. Alright, did y'all make it through? Did y'all make it through? Alright. We got 2 more rounds. That was the first round. We got 2 more rounds. Alright. Take a little break. Take a little 30-second break. Hold on, let me set the timer. 30 seconds. Go. 30 seconds. Get you some water if you need to. I got 30 seconds. Y'all got 18 seconds. 17. 16, 15. All right. Three, 2, and next round. Woo. All right, next round. Y'all ready? All right, push-up position. Remember, if you can't do the full push-up, put your knees on the floor, legs up in the back. If you can't do that, get on the wall, put your hands up against the wall, push up from the wall. All right. All right. Come to the ready. Bam. And down. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8. Bam. Woo! I don't know why I love that word. Alright, next exercise. You ready? You ready? Up, down, push. Alright, you ready? Bam. Hands up. Go. Up, down, push. Up, down. 2. 3. Up, down. 4. Up, down. 5. Up, down. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, 1, 2. Bam. Good. Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all. Keeping up. You're keeping up. You're keeping up. All right. Last exercise for round 2. Arm circles. Get them arms up. Up, 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 up. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see that. I want to see this. All right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep them arms up. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Keep them up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, I see y'all keeping up. Good job, keep up the good work. Remember, tell yourself, keep going. Don't stop. Don't tell yourself to stop. Don't let yourself tell yourself to stop. 30 seconds. I'm gonna set my timer. Y'all better get y'all some water, because the 3rd round is going down. 30 seconds. I'm gonna give you some more. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last round. Y'all ready? All right, push-up position. Knees down, or knees up, or the wall. All right, up and go. down 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5, down 6, down 7, down 8. Ah! Woo! Y'all see me? Alright. Alright. Up, down, push. Alright, ready? Arms up. Go. Up, down, push. Up, down, 2. Up, down, 3. Up, down, 4. Up, down, 5. Up, down, 6. Up, down, 7. Up, down, 8. Up, down, 9. Up, down, 10. Up, down, 1. Up, down, 2. Ah! Alright. Alright, nope. Get up. Get them arms up. Alright, you ready? Arm circles. Last round. This is the last exercise, alright? You tired? I'm a little tired too. But we gotta make it do what it do. Alright, arms up. Keep them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep them up. 5, 4, 3, 2, down. Woo! But that concludes the upper body workout for beginners. I hope it made y'all feel wonderful. It made me feel wonderful to even help y'all get through this. You know what I'm saying? But don't forget to subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Let me know how this workout made you feel. I'll have more harder upper body workouts, as y'all know. Let me know how y'all felt in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn those post notifications on so y'all can be notified when I drop more videos. You know what I'm saying? Once again, my name is Charms. Follow all my social media. I'll have the full workout that I did today on my Instagram. If you follow me on Snap already, then you already seen a little piece of it, but the full workout will be on my Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description below. I'll put the workouts, the name of the workouts in the description below also. All of that, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I'll let you.